Hey guys, hope you all are good. So today's video is on alphabet D. Before starting, ensure that you have subscribed my channel and press the bell icon so to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. So let's start with taking a rectangular paper of dimensions 14 into 19 cm. Now pay attention while drawing the boxes, use these parameters shown here. We draw alphabet D here. As we can see, it is already drawn, so we just need to curve the sharp edges to give them a shape. Now start drawing the designs, as I use mandala design which I convert to paper cutting. You can also draw something different. And if you wanted to draw the same design, image link is given in the description. You can download it from there. I make these videos with lots of efforts. So please support and subscribe the channel. And if you wanted me to draw something which you suggest, then you can leave a comment or DM me on Instagram. Okay, now I am using a knife cutter. We cut all the pieces. While using a knife cutter, you will feel it very hard to cut the small details. So do it carefully, or you can skip the minor details. And please don't hurt yourself while using knife cutter. Use it carefully.